This is the plane that will take us to Istanbul tonight. This is our plane for today. It's an Airbus A350. It's pretty much brand new. It's only 2 years old. Curious to see how it looks on the inside. On this trip from Johannesburg to Munich, I made use of the Turkish Airlines Layover program, which gave me a 24-hour stop in Istanbul. I left on Friday evening and arrived in Istanbul early Saturday morning. The airline provided a hotel voucher, which included an overnight stay at no or very little extra cost. Because it's part of the Layover program, the hotel room is available for check-in immediately on arrival. The only part not covered by the program is transportation to and from the airport, which I pre-arranged myself on booking.com. In total, I took 4 flights with Turkish Airlines on this trip. The aircraft were modern and in excellent condition. On 3 of the flights, however, either my own or my seat neighbor's entertainment system had issues. The problem was resolved by asking a flight attendant to reboot the system, which usually took 10 to 15 minutes. I'm here at gate 13 and I'm waiting for my driver. Istanbul airport is a very nice airport, I must say. So far I like what I'm seeing. Oh, hi. Morning. So I'm going to spend 24 hours here in Istanbul and currently I'm on my way to the hotel. And this is my hotel room at the Ramada Bintam Ataköy in Istanbul. And I booked this as a 24-hour layover through Turkish Airways. Oh, you can even see the water from here. Okay, I left my hotel. Now I'm exploring Istanbul. Quite a few cats here. During my layover in Istanbul, I used an Istanbul card to get around. The card can be purchased at electronic ticket terminals in public transport stations, where payment by credit card and an English language option are available. It is rechargeable and valid across all forms of public transport in the city, including ferries, making it a very convenient choice for travelers. Alright, let's first try and take a ferry to the Asian part of Istanbul. Very cool, I'm on board the ferry. All you have to do is swipe your Istanbul card and then you can go on any of the ferries. I'm not exactly sure where this will take me, but it will take me to Asia. That's what I know. I'm in Asia now. 3 continents in 12 hours. Africa, Europe and Asia. I wonder if they have fridge magnets here. I'm on my way to the marina now, which is about a kilometer from my hotel, and I need to find something to eat. I'm really hungry, and I think it's also nice to explore the vicinity of the hotel. I can do all of that on foot. I think today's a public holiday. It's Victory Day, I read somewhere. I have to actually Google and find out what it's about. But that's why there are flags, Turkish flags everywhere, on all the buildings and cars and so on. It's nice, a restaurant with swimming pool. It's 4 o'clock in the morning and I'm on my way to the airport to fly to Munich. They have a lot of dedicated family lanes here at Istanbul airport, which is very good. It's both for check-in and security. Finally, airside Istanbul airport. took a bit, but it was all well organized. Now I'm on my way to find the lounge. Okay, there are signs. Should be easy to find. There seems to be a huge lounge. It's the IGA lounge in Istanbul airport. Ooh.
Passengers, please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been turned off.
I arrived in Munich and now I have to catch the Lufthansa airport bus that takes me to Nordfriedhof, and then from there I can walk to my hotel. Here's the Lufthansa bus. There's the plane I just came in. There's the Nordfriedhof. That's the first station of the airport bus here in München-Schwabing, and now it continues going to the Hauptbahnhof, the main station. There's my hotel, Fleming's. It's my second breakfast for today. Proper piece of cake and a cappuccino. And this is my room in the Flemings Hotel. It's just a one-person room. It's a single bed, a little sitting nook, and a view of the courtyard, and a very compact bathroom. That's it. From Munich, I headed north to visit my mum before spending the weekend sailing with friends, which was really the main purpose of this trip. That's our plane to Düsseldorf with a 40-minute delay. It's my bed for the night. That's the bar we were in just now. Bridge just opened. It opens once every hour. the airport lounge in Hamburg. Let's get something to eat. Why is no one in this area? No idea. Would be a nice view. Unfortunately, the sun is a bit blinding. I wonder if they sell fridge magnets here. In Hamburg at the airport. Departure from Hamburg, so now I'm on my way home. First leg is Hamburg to Istanbul, and then later tonight it will be Istanbul to Johannesburg.